Drug deaths are more than 27 times in America, 27 times greater than drug deaths in Italy and Japan. And they're double the rates of places like wealthy, happy countries like Sweden and Finland. We have the worst overdose problem in the world. The pain centers in the brain are similar for either physical pain or psychological pain. And Americans are in pain more than they ever were before because their physical pain is psychological pain in part, experienced from helplessness and hopelessness about their own future. And these, I should add, are some of the people that support Trump. Trump supporters are usually people who are dispossessed, who don't have a BA, and who don't have much of a chance in life. And so they want to go back to make themselves great again by making America as racist and sexist as it was in the 50s when they were, and 60s when they were employed, and the early 70s when they were employed and paid decently, and their lives had more hope. At any rate, that's who's dying. People of color who get less benefits and less chances, and working class white people who have been dispossessed. This is all unnecessary. It's all built on a capitalist system, profiteering off our health care, on the collusion of the big five, the big pharmaceutical companies like Purdue Pharma, the big drug chains selling the prescriptions that will get people hooked, the hospitals that will overcharge so that people can't get proper health care, the insurers, which have copays that are uninsurable, unaffordable, so it denies the importance of their insurance, and from the doctors who participate in this disgraceful healthcare system for profit, and who work to sustain their fees rather than to cure people. We have to stop capitalism, particularly in healthcare, where it's literally killing people, but also in its push for profit, outsourcing and dispossessing people to the point where they're hopeless and look for drugs to ease the pain because they are in pain. And it's really up to us to help get our word out, to help organize those people who are in pain to understand that their source of their pain is not directly in the government, nor is it in people of color, immigrants, or women who all earn less than white men, but rather in a capitalist system that has betrayed them. More and more Americans are realizing that capitalism is deadly. That's what we have to stop. We have to stop the idea that profit is the most important thing in life, rather than the opportunities for people to make a decent life, to cooperate together, and to create a better America. That's what we need. And I know we can achieve it. We have the highest death rate from drugs, the highest overdose drugs. And that has been brought to us by collusion of the government with big pharma, insurance companies, big pharmacies, hospitals, and doctors working together in a systemic way in the capitalist system, which we will change.